Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. If you follow my channel, you can remember I had some issues with my '06 Smart Car CDI. Last video, the front end was completely off. It's all reinstalled. I put that on last night. The reason I had to take that off is I couldn't get to my brake fluid reservoir. So I actually had to take that off. The issue was the cap was seized on, so I needed some leverage. The rear passenger side brake piston, I thought it was actually damaged, and it's actually functioning. So I got that all put together. One thing I have to do is there's a connecting rod to your rear brake for your emergency brake cable, and I need to replace that. However, I can drive it as is, so I'm going to put an order out for one of those, and that's how you actually adjust your rear emergency brake. And something else I was having an issue with was all my lights were on the dash for my brakes, ABS and whatnot, and I've actually put about 10 kilometers on it so far, and all the lights are off on the dash. So what I'm doing now, it's quite nice out, so I unthawed my garden hose, and I'm just giving it a quick rinse to get some of the salt and grime off. Little view inside, and probably over the next couple weeks I'll give it a good detailing, but I'll tell you, it's so nice to have the roof off and actually put a few kilometers on the old car. Again, just wanted to do an update. So I am ordering a adjuster rod for my rear emergency brake for the passenger side, and I still have to put the new brake shoes and drum on the back driver side. Again, I don't put a lot of miles on this, so there's probably going to be 100 kilometers difference from one side to the other. And again, when you do brakes, you always do both sides. I just wanted to take for a test drive and make sure that it's actually working, which it is. So it's nice to get that out and put some miles on this. And shortly I have an EGR delete kit that I'm going to install on the motor, so I'll be doing a video on that. There's not really many videos on how to delete your EGR, so I do have a kit ordered and picked up, so I'll put that on and I'll do a little video on that. Anyways guys, just a short video on an update on the car. So it's back on the road, and again I still have to do the rear driver's side brakes, which will be quite easy after doing the rear passenger side. Again, this was my first time doing brake drums and shoes, and it's a lot more to it than doing a disc brakes. Anyways guys, just a short update. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day, and get out there and get that top off.